What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jamila, and if you are new here, welcome. Today I freshly washed my hair, and some of you guys have been asking me, y'all want to see a week how I take care of my hair throughout the week. So today is Sunday, and I'm going to set my hair, and yeah, I'm going to show y'all the day to day. I'm super low maintenance. I don't do much to my hair, honestly. So yeah, but I'm excited to show you guys how she expands over time. And yeah, so I'm about to set my hair, and I'll see y'all throughout the week. Okay guys, so I am fresh out the dryer. I cut some dead end pieces that were becoming like a little straggly, so I did that, and I'm just gonna take my blow dryer and shake my hair up. And that is about it, y'all. So this is, I guess because I don't know, sometimes I consider the next day day one, but yeah, so this is how she looks. I miss my curls. As y'all know, I've been putting a little bit of heat on it, so I'm glad, like, you know, she's doing well. A key to that is use heat protectant, y'all. Use heat protectant and protect them curls, okay? But yeah, so this is how she looks. Again, happy Sunday. I'll see you all tomorrow. Hey you guys, Grand Rising. It's the next day. I literally just woke up not too long ago. I wear a bonnet to sleep, like, and it's pretty loose. I don't know why all my bonnets end up getting pretty loose, like the band. But yeah, I just slap her on. I'm actually getting ready for the gym, so I'm gonna put my hoodie on first, just so it doesn't mess up my hair. And you could do this too, like when you're putting on clothing and things like that, throw on the bonnet real quick, just so it doesn't mess up your curl patterns, or not really your curl pattern, but so it doesn't create more frizz if you're not someone who's into frizz like that. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys. So this is how she looks. She's pretty flattened, but this is how she looks when I first wake up. I usually do the same thing where I'll take my blow dryer and shake it up, or sometimes I just do it with my hands. I think I might just do it with my hands today because, again, I'm going to the gym, so I don't need her to be too, like, done up. Shake her. For those asking how, you know, you kind of revive your hair the next day. For me, I don't mind that the back is like pushed in, because I kind of naturally like a shorter length at the nape. So I leave her alone and I just shake her up. Okay, bring some life back into her. You see? Okay. And this is how I'm gonna go to the gym. Cute. So, this is like day 2 hair. And day 2 hair, she's very defined. Day 2 hair, she still has her length. Yep. You don't gotta be too complicated, you know, when it comes to taking care of your hair throughout the week. But yeah, this is how she looks. And I'm gonna go to the gym and show you guys after. All right. Y'all see my hair in the sunlight? Yeah. Just giving Goldilocks. So yeah. this is how she looks. I'm waiting for my brother because we need to hurry up because I have a facial after this. And yeah, so we need to hurry up because we got like a solid hour to work out, like nothing more, nothing less, because I gotta be out here. So day 3, y'all. I'm just getting out of the gym. As you can see, my hair, I'm very active too, so also take that into consideration. So I sweat through my scalp, so it's normal for my shrinkage to happen by day 3, 4, and things like that. So this is how she looks. Day 3, which is actually my favorite day, like day 3, 4, and on. That's my favorite. She still have definition as well, which that's why I like volume and definition. So which is why I don't mind it being super defined and crunchy on day 1, because over time my hair is going to expand. So yeah, happy Tuesday. Happy Tuesday, y'all, and I hope you guys are having a great week. I sure am having a great week, and yeah. So I will see you guys next day. Rich Rising! Welcome to day 4, y'all. This is my hair update. This is she. Okay, so I experienced some frizz right here because one, I got a facial done. So, you know, the steam and everything is gonna break the cast of the gel. So, and I had to wear a headband, like she had to pull my hair back, so that created some frizz, which, you know, totally normal. So yeah, but this is day 4, y'all. At this point she's definitely like a mini fro, but still defined. You see that? Still very defined. I don't mind frizz. So again, I'm active, so I expect that, you know. But I'm actually on my way to the gym now. Show y'all a quick little outfit. Yeah. Rich Rising. Another day, another hair update. Let me fix y'all up a little bit. Another day, another hair update. What are we on? Day 5? Day 5. So she looks. And again, like, y'all, I'm super low maintenance. This is all I do throughout my week. This is all I do. Like, I don't do too much. Again, I consider myself a lazy natural, like, minimal. So I just let her do her thing, you know. I just let her do her thing. I think yesterday, I went to the gym yesterday. So, yes. I'm not going to the gym today, but this is she. I'm getting ready for work. But yeah, I wanted to stop by and show you guys before I start getting ready. And yeah. Happy Thursday, y'all. I hope you guys enjoy your day. even though y'all gonna see this after Thursday, but you know. And yeah, make an intention to have a good day today. And I'll see y'all tomorrow. All right, I'm filming. It's Friday. We're almost towards the end of the week. And this is how we're looking. Super fro vibes. The definition right here. Remember the phrase I showed y'all earlier this week? The definition is completely gone. But yeah. Now y'all see the transition throughout the day. Yeah. I mean, not throughout the day, but throughout the week. And let me know, does your hair like expand the way mine does? Or like, how does your hair last throughout the week? I like to swoop my little sideburns, especially when it gets to this stage, because now I feel like the hair is more out of my face versus day 1, 2. You know, my hair is like, it's way down. So what you're seeing here too is like the water is like evaporating from my hair, which is why it's also creating, you know, more, it's able to expand and stuff like that. It's not as weighed down. So when it gets to this point, I like to emphasize my sideburns. So it just gives me, so it just frames my face. Like, you see? I love this little song. But yeah, again, super easy. I do not do much. I definitely want to get my hair done, y'all. I don't know what I want to do to my hair. Well, I do, but I'm like, I'm so hesitant because I've never done it before, but I've been wanting to just try new things. I want to do straight backs. Don't worry, I was washing my face so aggressively. Like, I got water stains all over my sweater, but just in case y'all was like, why is your sweater, you know, looking crazy? But yeah, I was thinking straight backs, like small straight backs going down and like butt length, or the flip over braids. Y'all know the viral braiding hairstyle. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Where you can flip it over. There's some like cornrows in the front, but like it's knotless braids, you know, throughout the hair. I'm debating. I don't know which one, but I'm really leaning on the stitch braids first. I'm scared, like I never did it before. But yeah, anyway, this is Happy Friday. I think this is like day 5 or 6. Hair. And yeah, she's looking good. She's living her life. Okay. Yeah. Actually, I feel like this is my favorite. This is my favorite transition when it gets to this point. Like, it's just my favorite. It just looks like a big puff, curly puff ball. And I love that. All right, y'all. Enjoy your Friday, and I will see y'all tomorrow. Hey, you guys, Rich Rising. I totally forgot to film yesterday, but yesterday was technically day 7. So happy Sunday. Today's Sunday, and it's usually my Sundays are my wash days, and so I just took my bonnet off, and I'm on my way to the gym, so I'm just shaking her up today. She's just so big and poofy. But yeah, y'all, this is a week and my washing goes, I guess you could say. But yeah. I showed you guys, now you guys see, like, you know, the transformation my hair goes into throughout the days, and like how it expands. It's so funny because like this is a major difference from day 1. This brings us to the end of this hair-ish vlog, I guess you could say. And yeah, a week in my washing goes. I showed you guys how my hair transforms throughout the days, and yeah, it was fun filming this and showing you guys, you know, my hair. See how she's just like big and poofy and big. But yeah, so this brings us to the end of this video, y'all. And I'm whispering because my niece is sleeping, so I can't speak too loud. But yeah, you guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let me know if you'd like to see more videos like this, more hair videos. What would you like to see? I'll be happy to create them for you guys. Comment down below, and share this video with someone. And yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video.